Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting accessory set for the Oculus Quest by Sarlar. This 5-piece set promises to enhance your VR experience by providing protection and comfort. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the face silicone cover mask. It's specifically designed for the Oculus Quest, ensuring a snug fit and comfortable feel. Plus, its anti-light and anti-sweat features are a game changer, allowing for longer gaming sessions without discomfort. Moving on to the Lens Protect cover, this little accessory is a lifesaver. It fits perfectly into the Oculus Quest, keeping dust, scratches, and collisions at bay. With this cover in place, you can say goodbye to worrying about damaging your lenses during storage or transport. Now, let's talk about what's included in the gift package. The microfiber cleaning cloth and antibacterial wet wipes are essential for keeping your lenses pristine. They make cleaning a breeze, ensuring crystal clear visuals every time you step into VR. And the drawstring pocket is a nice touch for storing your Oculus Quest and its accessories safely. One thing to note is that this set does not include the Oculus Quest or touch controllers, so keep that in mind when making your purchase. In terms of build quality, the silicone products feel durable and well made. I particularly appreciate the attention to detail, like the reinforced notched part that prevents tearing. Overall, I'm impressed with the Sarlar Oculus Quest silicone cover mask and Lens Protect cover set. It's a must-have for any Oculus Quest owner looking to enhance their VR experience and protect their investment. If you're in the market for quality accessories, definitely give this set a look, and that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.